Get back, Jack. I know. Oh, that was cool.
So here we are at the Skid Row Photography Club out here at MacArthur Park, playing and shooting the birds, and JoJo's feeding the birds and taking pictures.
Texas bridge.
They jumping up in the air, catching them. Here go one, bam. Got that.
They wanted the world the first time.
Get ready for this, let's go. Here we go. That's 1, 2. Oh, too far. 3. Jump up in the air. I ain't heard from Kevin on his phone, but we'll see if he got the message or what. I saw you.
Oh yeah, I like
I wonder what dude is saying.
Oh, you caught that. Did you see that?
All right, so from the beginning,
Okay.
what can we do? Da 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 da.
To try to get a shot of this nice spider web here to make it come out,
Yeah.
we wanted to put some water on it, you know, moisture. I was pouring it in the cap and pouring it on the spider web, but it wasn't working out right. So Mark said you got to put it in your mouth and blow on it, or something like that. So
And you believe.
this
I like
is what
that.
I did. I'm gonna show you.
And it's just like a spray bottle.
It's like a spray bottle.
Well, that was really worth the wait. Congratulations. You are such a good, is that spitter or sprayer? Sprayer.
Sprayer.
You're such a great sprayer.
Thank you.
So, for the Skid Row Photography Club Walkabout, have you had a good time, Kevin? Or are you having a good time? It's not over yet.
Yeah.
You having a good time? Great. Mark, have you been able to secure any fantastic, exceptional, one-of-a-kind shots?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, is that what you came for?
That's what I came for.
Great.
And that's what I had.
And JoJo,
Ditto.
other than becoming the greatest sprayer of Skid Row Photography Club, beyond a shadow of a doubt, because I caught that spray. So, how you like the view that the Skid Row Photography Club has come to enjoy?
Yes, sir.
And experience and benefit from, and even got the birds of paradise, and stop spitting on the no. Kevin really got the move going, boy. Yeah. Crack, crack, baby. Oh, I forget I got food. They looking at me like, well, tossing it or what? Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, you stop screaming when it's eating time, huh, baby? Yeah. Yeah, and they stay right over here. And they walk all up on the grass. See? There you go. I got that on video. He ain't even jumping. So did you have a good time on your Skid Row photo walkabout today?
I had an absolutely wonderful time. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I can't wait to do it again.
Hey, baby. What's up?